Hi, my name is Andrew. In this video series, I will show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This is the first step in solving a Rubik's Cube. The first step is quite simple, and all I do is I build a 2x2 inside the 3x3. Nothing else is solved. It's just a simple 2x2 inside a 3x3, and it's easier than solving a 2x2 by itself. Alright, and next, right here, we took that 2x2 and we added a side to it. So there's 1, 2, 3 new squares that matter. You'll learn later how the centers never move relative to each other. Here's the next step. I've added yet another side to this, completing the side and 2 layers at the same time. This next step involves orienting the cross so that all 4 of these edge pieces right here are all facing up. Next, I position the cross pieces into the right places, so orange with orange and blue with blue, and so on. Next, I position the corner pieces so that they're all in the right place. And lastly, I have now positioned and oriented the corners in the right place so that the cube is solved in its entirety. This was my first Rubik's Cube that I ever got. It's Rubik's brand, as you can see here. And it's well worn, and 2 caps are missing, and I have no idea where they are to this day. But that's all the steps. This method that I'm teaching you is actually a method that I made up. It uses 6 algorithms, but 7 steps. So the first 3 steps, which are here and here and here, all use the same 3 algorithms, and then the others use more algorithms, but they're just really variants. The last step is variant of the first 3 steps, and they're all kind of similar. Now that you understand the method that I use, you have to understand the notation before you begin solving. So any side that starts with a letter like U, D, L, and R, and F, and B are what you turn when I say that letter. And you turn it clockwise as if you were looking at it. Sometimes in the beginning you may need to actually look at the right side, the up side, or the front side. But after a while you'll be able to just know without looking at it. I am now going to demonstrate a few moves on this pen sheet. So right now, the red, which may look like orange in the camera, but trust me, it's red. The orange is over here, and you can tell that that's orange. So the red is going to be the front, and the white is going to be the up, and the blue is going to be the right. So then I would be doing R, U, L, U, F, D, B. Alright, now if I tell you, say, R-I, it means to do it backwards. So R-I would look like this. R looks like this. And if I say maybe 2R, it means you do it twice. So it's a 180-degree rotation. So just regular F is 90 degrees. 2F is a 180-degree rotation. Same goes for U. That'd be 2U. Here's L. Here's LI. Here's D. And here's 2D. And here's B. Oh, that's 2B. and then here's bi. And all notation and algorithms are done using those kinds of things. Unless when you have a 4x4, I can get that out pretty soon here. So here's a 4x4, and it's pillowed because it's from the VCube brand, which is a good brand. But if you have, like if you need to turn both these right sides, then that would be either R2 or it'd be R, like a big R and then a little r. This is 2R, and then this is R2. No, that would be 2R2. That is a while before we get to there, so we'll set it aside. So that's 2R, that's 2U, and that's F. That's FI, that's UI, and that's RI. And this is what a good scramble looks like. And that is the notation for the cube. I look forward to seeing you. And this is the cube that I will be using. This is a Diane Panji. It is Diane's replacement for the Zanchi. Although I don't know whether it will replace the Zanchi, seeing as the Guhong hasn't even really been replaced. Thank you and goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.